Alright guys, I got the Beavis model loaded up into the third person blueprint, and we're going to be playing a very basic Beavis and Butthead game. Let's see how well this works. This is my first time replacing the mannequin that comes default in Unreal with MetaHuman. It seems like it's working pretty good. It wasn't too hard to switch him over. I will say that his arms are sitting a little goofy, and that might just be because this is a smaller character model than the mannequin. What would even be the objective in this game? Alright, let's load up the forest level and mess around on there. And we're back. I actually did look it up while I was switching the level over, and there was a Beavis and Butthead game for Super Nintendo, and the premise was looking for to replace their torn up war tickets. So, I mean, that makes perfect sense. Wow, look how majestic this is. I can just run around this map all day. I don't know, the shader kind of looks a little weird. Maybe it's just the lighting. Let's see if we can get to the edge of the map. Oh, I think we've come to the end. I don't think there's any ground plane down there. I think that he's just gonna fall forever. Yep, right through. Bye. Oh my god, what's happening to his feet? Oh my god, I think he's just gonna fall forever. Oh my god. You do not want to fall off the edge in this game.